We found the perfect staycation hotel for a group of 10 or more, so join me as we tour you here at the Seda Residences Makati. Let's start with their E-Lounge at the 19th floor, and yes, this is where you will check in. I have never seen a lobby as huge as this, so meeting or simply waiting for your room will not be a problem. Similar with other Seda hotels, their e-lounge is equipped with IMAX stations which guests can use to surf, email, or play games at their convenience, which is accessible 24 hours. Look what I found! It's a cute teddy bear! It's huge and so cute. I love it. So nice. The lobby is so nice. Time to check in! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's wait for the cousins.
Let's wait for the cousins! This is it! We are on our way to our 3-bedroom premiere. Wow, it looks so spacious, so let me tour you around. My dad will definitely love this full kitchen that is equipped with basic cooking equipments. Hey there! They have a mini bar area here and I love their spacious 6-seater dining set here. It's so celebration ready. Everything is just so spacious here, including the sofa. I mean, look at that! 1 or 2 can still sleep here. Let's proceed to the first room. As you can see, it is spacious enough and has a queen bed. Not bad for a smallest room. Next is the master's bedroom. Of course, it's the largest and it comes with a small living area inside. Looks so cozy and has a queen bed too. Wow, it has its own super spacious bathroom that comes with a bathtub too. They are so complete, including the ironing board. Let's go to the third room. Ooh, this one comes with 2 double beds and is also spacious. Oh, I love the rooms. And here is the second bathroom that is for sharing. That's it! Time to celebrate! Cakes for me and my sister. Congratulations on our promotion!
Ooh, garlic
This is made from the finest food in the world. It's amazing. Oh,
It's amazing.
tip of the world.
You can cook here.
Wow. Amazing.
Fully equipped with plates and everything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, say cheese.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because finally I am going to unbox my new Samsung Z Flip 3 together with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So everything is so purple and I am so excited. And today,
So hey guys, I actually discovered right now that Samsung Z Flip also has a director's view, and I'm so happy with it. So right now they are just chatting around, and my dad, as you can see, at the back, cleaning the dishes, washing the dishes up there. So yeah, let's look for the babies. Where are you guys there? Hey, no hurting each other, huh? Don't hurt each other, okay? You say hi to the video.
Hi. Are you doing another?
Yeah. Hey, where's Kian?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know? Okay. Hey, oh, I found the fat one. Kian Jace, where are you? Where are you, Kian Jace? There you are, you fatso. You, what are you doing? That's it. It's alright. It has a director's view. Alright, bye.
Los clones, mujeres y ron. De aquí salimos de día, nos fuimos a lo loco. Todo el mundo a guayar reggaetón.
Are you fat?
No one is having no. Not fat. Peekaboo. Cute. See you.
I see you.
See ya. See ya. That's right.
Oh, let it next week. Okay, let's go.
Hey, Chloe.
Time to swim!
Hi, Kian. Are you ready to swim? Yes. Wow, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice in here. Oh, there's Dad. It is cold, so the pool is not heated. Unfortunately, it's They They're having so much fun. Look.
Naganti mo rin yung kapatid mo.
Kian, Kian. Hi. Hey, hey. Bro, what's up?
There they are. There they are. Say hi, guys.
Someone called.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
We are celebrating your birthday. Hi.
Vito.
Can you show me? Hello, what's up? Hey, hello. What's up?
What's up? And this is the Donya. There is a Bro,
Wow.
mabasa.
Show your shirt. Wow.
Everything is about
Day and night, the pool got some amazing view up here. The cityscape is giving so much relaxing vibes. By the way, they have shower areas inside aside from the one near the pool. Take note that you can pass through the other side so you won't have to walk by the lobby. Going down for some snacks. Another nice thing about this hotel is it's surrounded with a lot of restaurants and in fact has near convenience stores so you don't have to worry about food.
Hi, Kian. Where are we? Where are you? In the shop? Yes. Ooh, I love the view.
Hi! Hi! We're at a pajama party.
Yeah.
Alex party.
Pajama party.
Pajama. Pajama party.
Hey, Vito.
Oh! Is Vito okay?
You are my sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Good morning. The breakfast buffet area is located at the 35th floor. And here is a quick tour on their food selections. Yum! You have an option for an al fresco dining, but we chose the one inside that has a huge table. And since they granted our request for a late checkout at 2 p.m., we still have time to enjoy the rest of their amenities. They have gym here and a play area, and that's where we are going.
Hi. Look at that view. I just want to tune out a little for a while because they have an amazing view for the rooms here. So yeah, it's so relaxing. Love it.
Hey, Gavin!
Hey.
Oh, there. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
You're swimming?
We even have time to try on their bubble bath. I love it.
Say hi. Say hi, baby. Hi. And smile. Is it? Oh my god.
Yes.
You video me.
Hi.
Your face.
Kian. Check out time. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Let's go.
That's it. We had a wonderful time at the Philippines leading service apartment, which is Seda Residences Makati. Hope this video helps you prepare for your future staycation here. Thanks for watching! For more staycation reviews like this, please don't forget to subscribe to Love Lucy channel. See you!